So I have this program here, which is a C++ program, and is a program for a transaction to withdraw money from an account, maybe in the bank or an ATM. Now you have the first section of the code, which is the header files, and you have the main function whereby we declare our variables in the main function. So this is a comment. So we comment immediately when you put these two slashes, the compiler will understand that that's a comment. So it's not it will not regard this statement as part of the program statement. So you can comment this way, or you can write forward slash and then star. Then you come here and close with star and forward slash like that. So you can comment this way, or you can use previous method, which is a bit easier. So here we have our variables. Variables are basically memory spaces. So you have I have two types of variables here. I have integers. An integer variable takes a whole number, and double takes a number that has some decimal place. So these are my variables, and you can see I have initialized. Initialization means assigning a value to a variable. Immediately you declare a variable, you assign it a value. That is called initialization. I have initialized the pin and the balance. So anywhere I reference to this variable, it will take this value automatically. After that, you have this part here, which will which whereby the program will prompt the user to enter a pin. So the pin must match the user pin that the user enters must match with the pin. This pin, it must be exactly this, because I have already initialized the pin should be that. So if the pin is not correct, we will use the while loop to check the pin, if the user pin is correct. So if it's not correct, the program will tell the user the pin is incorrect, please try again. Okay, until so the while loop will keep being repeated so long as this condition is not met. So this condition must be met. While user pin is not equals the pin, it will keep telling you incorrect pin, please try again. So for example, we can test that. Let's enter the wrong pin, incorrect pin, please try again, incorrect pin, please try again. So you can try that 1,000 times. It will not execute, then it will not move from this place. It will not execute the next statement, which is to ask you to enter the amount to withdraw. So let's close the terminal. Now, after this condition is met, whereby the user pin has matched with the pin, so it will now execute this line here, where it will prompt the user to enter amount to withdraw after entering the correct pin. So that one is this one here. So it will ask the user to enter the amount that he wants to withdraw, and then the user will enter the amount. After that, uh, you have this area where the program computes the transaction cost, and the amount that the user want to withdraw. So it will sum the two of them and give out the total amount and check it against the account balance. So if this total amount is greater than the account balance, we have the if else function here. So if the balance is less than the total amount, the program will tell the user insufficient balance and transaction will be cancelled. So the program will not move to the next step. Now, if the balance is okay and the user can withdraw, uh, now the program will now compute the new account balance that will remain in the account after the withdrawal. So balance equals less the total amount, and then now it will output. It will tell you transaction successful, transaction costs is this amount of shillings, and your new balance is this amount of shillings. So that will be the end of the program. Uh, so let's run the program. Let's enter the pin. So enter the amount to withdraw. I want to let's put 1000. So insufficient balance, transaction cancelled, because the the program has checked and found that the total amount, the amount that I want to withdraw plus the transaction cost is greater, is bigger than the balance in the account, which is 1000 shillings. So we repeat the process again, run the program, enter the pin. The amount I want to withdraw, let's put 900. You can see the transaction is successful. Transaction cost is 4.5 shillings, and the new balance is 95.5 shillings. So basically that is how the program will work.